Welcome to this tutorial on Authorize NetAIM integration, where we will walk you through the step-by-step process of integrating Authorize Net Advanced integration method into your website. First, you need to create an account with Authorize Net and obtain your API login ID and transaction key, which are required for the integration process. You can find these credentials in the Merchant Interface section of your Authorize Net account. Next, you will need to choose a programming language to use for the integration, such as PHP, Java, or Python. The choice of language depends on your website's existing infrastructure and your development team's expertise. Now, let's move on to the technical part of the integration. The AIM integration involves sending a request to Authorize Net's servers with the customer's payment information, such as credit card number, expiration date, and amount. The request is sent using HTTPS protocol to ensure security. To send the request, you need to create a form on your website that collects the customer's payment information and then uses this information to create a request to Authorize Net's servers. The request should include the API login ID and transaction key, as well as the payment information. Once the request is sent, Authorize Net's servers process the payment and return a response, which includes the result of the transaction, such as approved or declined. Your website can then use this response to update the customer's order status and display a confirmation message. It is also important to note that Authorize Net provides a test environment, known as the sandbox, where you can test your integration before going live. This allows you to test different scenarios and ensure that your integration is working correctly. In terms of security, it is essential to ensure that your integration is compliant with the payment card industry data security standard, or PCI DSS. This includes using HTTPS protocol, encrypting sensitive data, and following best practices for secure coding. In conclusion, integrating Authorize NetAIM into your website requires careful planning, technical expertise, and attention to security. By following the steps outlined in this tutorial and using the test environment provided by Authorize Net, you can ensure a successful integration and start processing payments securely and efficiently.